look who we ran into, guys. Homie Air is... Bro, that shit's like a rocket. Look where we're at, guys. Once again, we're back here at Daniel. Damn, with the leather jacket and the shoes. Rich. What's up, G? How are you? Alright, so we're gonna pull in the M4 inside Daniel's pad. I hate doing this, guys. I don't like this driveway. This driveway is kind of sketch. It is early morning, guys, but we're gonna be getting an oil change, like I said, on the GTS, and maybe Aris can fix some stuff. Aris was saying that he could put an image of my car on the screen, where it shows like the stock little BMW on the screen. He's saying that he could put my own car on there, or whatever car I want. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Today, as you can see, we're at Daniel's pad, and we're gonna be getting an oil change on the M4 GTS. As you guys know, Daniel works on all of our cars, all the homies' cars. So I'm gonna be getting an oil change on the GTS. And I think Nick is gonna pull up as well. We got Aries already here, and I think a couple of other homies are gonna pull up as well. So, and let's continue with the rest of the video. Sheesh. Look at that. Fresh.
Tire thread.
Yup.
7 out of 32.
One of the best feelings is getting new tires on the GTS. Damn. But yeah, I was telling Daniel last night that we should lower it a little bit more, but he said it's perfect the way it is, and to just leave it. So
I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess with it. I'm telling them if we lower the rear, I have to lower the front, and you know, with the spacers that he has right now,
yeah,
I think this is the perfect setup. You know, we would have to possibly go with a smaller spacer, or if not, some camber plates to give you negative more, or just to adjust the negative camber.
That way it can be dropped more.
Yeah, that way, you know, we give you more negative camber in the front, but then you're also going to be wearing down your tires faster. You'll definitely have better cornering for sure.
But yeah, for sure.
But it's a sacrifice. You know?
And a chance of breaking the lip.
Yeah, yeah, because even one turn takes away like 1 or 2 millimeters.
Yeah.
And in the long run, it really does make a difference, since you're already running slip low underneath too. So, and this slip's lasted you for
for a long time. So
yeah,
maybe we can extend the lip more.
We can.
I think that'd be cool to extend it more, because there's still much more room to bring this lip out. I feel like it's maybe not sticking out more enough. Or what do you think? We could just bring it out a little bit more. I think.
Yeah. I mean,
imagine extend it all the way, bro. That would be.
Yeah.
If I extend it all the way, it'd probably be up to like here, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, that'd be crazy. For sure, somebody would step on it, 100%. Yeah. At a car meet, someone's gonna step on my lip. How they stepped on the United 2 lip. I think Nick is getting an oil change today too, right?
Yeah, he should be.
He's getting a liquid moly.
I think he is. Yeah, his tune is a little more aggressive.
So he needs a more stronger oil, or yeah.
Yeah, definitely needs a little thicker viscosity.
That's true. Yeah, just gotta go OEM shit. Nothing crazy, honestly, because like I said, the car's stock. Damn, look at that engine bay though. Sheesh. Down store. Damn, you're stocked up, huh?
Yeah, you can do a few oil changes on the M4, the N3, so.
And the filters, and the emergencies on deck.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah, you gotta be ready.
He got the Pocky chips over here too. Damn, bro.
I gotta organize.
Is this your PG?
Huh?
Is this your P?
I gotta save it, you know, for a rainy day. No,
oh shit.
That's a cleaner for rubber.
With the lime rock gloves?
KG spec. Gotta match the car.
Damn, G. I might need to borrow some of those for a little photo shoot.
I got some. I got a whole box.
Alright guys, so Daniel's gonna get started on this oil change. I think I probably did the oil change like 4,000 miles ago. But I do drive it a lot and, you know, hard, so.
So one of the things about your car is having the little plastic protector. So before I actually start draining the plug, I gotta go ahead and remove the little covers. So
Yeah, I'm trying to
let me grab my little 8mm and get these bolts out, and then we'll go ahead and just get to the draining process.
GTS comes with that little plastic skid plate, and it's pretty cool. I didn't realize it till Daniel. I think when Daniel did the oil change the first time, he was like, "Oh shit! Like your car comes with that." I was like, "What the fuck?" I didn't know. But yeah, he's gonna take that off, and then he can get to the draining part, take out the old oil, slap on the new oil, and then I think we should be good, because also the service check light came on, and then also for the oil change. So Danny's gonna go ahead and reset that for me as well. And then, like I said, I might have Aries do that little image in the screen where the iDrive is. You can put a picture of your car on there, so that'd be cool. So that's the plate that Daniel's talking about, that the GTS comes with. So there might be a bunch of rocks. I was on Crest yesterday. The homie Neve pulled up with his Yas Marina Blue M4 convertible comp. Sheesh. Okay, all over Aries is convertible. And he got the Ola style tails too. These taillights look so freaking good, guys, on the F. All-wheel drive F90 M5. Go in the front seat. Go. I'll go in the back. I'll go in the back.
This doesn't have carbon ceramic brake.
You're.
And I have soon both.
I'll go in the back. You go in the front. It's everything, bro.
Massage, everything.
Wow, I can tell, huh? You put this or
No.
It comes like that.
It comes like that?
And it has TVs. Has TVs in the back too.
TV's in the back.
TVs I saw.
Yeah, this is sick, bro.
Original. Everything is original.
I've never been in the back seat, bro. It's my first time in the back seat.
You good in the back?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Listen to the sound system.
And this
God damn.
V8 twin turbo.
the gas eating, huh? Like a motherfucker.
Yeah, look at the cluster. It's full digital.
I know. The interactives.
This shit's insane.
Yeah.
Oh my. Holy fuck.
This is automatic too.
Yeah.
It's not even fucking.
Oh my god, bro.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
That was like, what's the 0 to 60?
Bro, I don't even. Holy shit. 0 to 60.
So now you can take a Tesla from
For
the line.
sure. He smokes Lambos, Huracan, all that.
Line.
Buy 80.
80 grand.
You can buy one today for like 60. The price went down like crazy.
What? Since you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they go
went
down.
a lot.
They went down. So yeah, guys. So Daniel went ahead and drained out the oil, and I'm gonna show you guys. You can see over there, it's already all out. How did the oil look? Yeah.
Right now, without me kind of like
Just looking at it, yeah.
It looks okay. I mean, you
Yeah.
know, as long as you kind of stay on top of it.
For sure.
Like I told you, every 3 to
4,000.
4,000 miles,
Especially because we drive it, beat on it, and stuff like that.
Yep.
But
But on this side, unfortunately, you have a small little leak where the axle meets the diff. It's just starting, but let me borrow the camera.
Yeah,
I'll
go
show
for
you guys right now.
all right, guys. So yeah, as you guys saw on the iPhone clip, so when do you think I should change this out, or how soon?
I would say
ASAP.
ideally yes, because you don't want to stress out other components, and you don't want it to become a bigger issue. So in a sense, I would say just replace it ASAP, and then that way we can take a look at it to make sure that there's no other components that are damaged.
Okay.
But yeah, axle's trying to go back.
All right, guys. So
Oh yeah.
Daniel went ahead and is that the catch can?
Yeah, he cleaned it.
Oh, apparently it was like nasty. You saw it or
It
no?
was like until like right here, full of oil with my fingers.
All of excessive oil, nasty.
Oh yeah, it was bad.
Shit. All right, guys. So now Daniel's putting in the oil. How many quarts?
It's gonna be 7.8 quarts. almost all 8 quarts.
Yeah. And there you go. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead, start the car up. Is it ready for startup? Yeah? And we're gonna measure the oil. So we gotta go here. My vehicle. Status. Engine oil level. Measure the engine oil. As you can see, progress 12, 13. So we gotta wait. There you go, look at that, perfect. Right on the dot. The big homie Nikon. M5 versus M8, G. Rich. Shit's fire. M8 guys? Or M5? Alright guys, we're gonna go to Raising Cane's. We got the boy Daniel. Shout out to the big homie Daniel. Appreciate you. Oh my god. Alright guys, if it's not Raising Cane's, it's Anita's. I swear, it's either one of the two, but we're always at Raising Cane's and we're always at Anita's. Oh my gosh. Good? You love Cane's, huh? Cane's is good though, I'm not gonna lie. Fire, bro. You guys want some? Alright guys, we're back at Daniel's house after we had gelato. I didn't film it though, but look, there's a rainbow. There's another rainbow. Oh, it's one whole rainbow. Damn, this car misfiring like shit. This just sounds bad, bro. Air's injectors went out, so. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the buzz notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.